Hi, I'm Kong.
I'm Ren.
Call me Jel.
And I'm AJ.
We will be studying Philippine history.
To start, what is history?
History is the study of the past as it described in written documents.
Teaching us where we have come from and how we should approach the future. Provides a sense of context for our lives and our existence. And most importantly, it helps us to understand who we are.
Going back to the past of Philippine history. Early Filipinos were a people of the sea, living in coastal villages or near rivers.
Boats were linked to many aspects of Filipino life. First, fishing, trade, and welfare. Second, travel, communication, and dwelling.
One of the most famous Philippine historical boat is Balanghay.
It is also known as the Balanghay or Balangay or Butuan boat.
It is a plank boat, adjoined by a carved-out plank edge through pins and doubles. And here are the pictures of Balanghay boat up to this present.
It was first mentioned in the 16th century in the Chronicles of Pigafetta, known as the oldest pre-Hispanic watercraft found in the Philippines. The first wooden watercraft excavated in Southeast Asia.
The Balanghay is only found in the Philippines, where a flotilla of such prehistoric wooden boats exists throughout the world.
9 specimens were discovered in 1976 in Butuan City, Agusan del Norte, Mindanao, and 3 of which have been excavated.
Examination and extensive investigation reveals that the extant boats found in the excavation site date back to 320,990 and 1,450 AD.
The first Balangay, now preserved and displayed in a site of Museum in Libertad, Butuan City. It was radiocarbon tested and was dated 320.
Here are some of the pictures of the preserved Balanghay boats.
Do you know how thus the Balanghay boat was made? The finely built boat, made without the use of blueprints, but was taught from one generation to another, uses a technique still used by boat makers of Cebutu Island.
It was made 50 meters long and 3 to 4 meters wide. The Balangay is propelled by sail of buri or nipa fiber or padding and is large enough to hold 60 to 90 people.
Its size was used for cargo and raiding purposes, giving proof that Butuan played a central role in trade.
And that's where we will end it. Thank you for watching.